Well, what's true for me is welcome back to the Pokemon journey of Dude Jr. We, before overheating, we just picked up a Gengar from this person over here.
It's in our team?
It is currently in our team. We have Honkins right here.
The cool thing is you can actually rename him.
Oh yeah, you can.
Her.
Oh god, it is a female.
We can.
Her.
I forgot we actually can rename her. Do we want to?
What were we gonna name her before? So
I don't
I mean, I
know.
Grudge?
Are you sure we can change her name? Because
Play with us, Charlie.
Back up.
are you sure we can change her name? Because I'm not seeing the prompt
Have you
anymore.
seen the ending of Charlie the Unicorn?
Fuck, wait.
It ended. It ended. There's a grand finale and everything. We get to see the origin of Pink and Purple.
Oh yeah,
No, I haven't seen that one.
Yep,
You have to.
we learned what Pink and Purple
I think I've
are.
only seen the 3 videos.
There's more than that.
Well, sorry, Tony,
more.
you're wrong about traded Pokemon. I cannot change its name. I can change their name because we caught them.
That's bullshit.
So no, Honkins it is.
Alright.
Is there not a
Good
name
enough.
changer in the game that will just overwrite that shit?
There might be
No.
one somewhere, but I don't care enough.
You can
Anyway.
also go to the code and hack
He
it that
doesn't
way,
care
but
because he's a Digimon
Don't care
boy.
enough.
I will
You
say,
are
Now
here.
Digimon for life.
Yay!
I knew it was coming.
I will say, but at that point, Nintendo might pull a Hasbro and send up Pinkertons after us.
I
Let
doubt
them
it.
come. We're ready for them.
I'm one of those nerds that liked Monster Rancher. Anyway.
I'll figure out one furniture.
I
told
just
you I
want my
can get-
Velociraptor to evolve into a refrigerator with a minigun, okay?
I agree with that segment.
Amen.
I told you I can get real hipster and I can talk about Azure Dreams or Monster Seeds or Dragon Seeds.
Oh my god.
Jake,
I've played most of those.
Listen, I grew up with
We
the
had
Monster
most of
Rancher
those.
anime, and I did not know it was a video game.
What, Monster Rancher?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, it was a video game. It was probably the best of them all.
My
And
entire
One
life,
thing, it
I
was
thought
actually
just
about
anime.
raising a monster,
Yeah.
like this game, which is just an RPG
Hey,
with
Ian.
a gotcha system.
Hey, Ian.
Yeah.
Could you connect me to your internet?
No.
I don't remember how.
Ugh. He can pass the phone over to you.
Oh, okay.
I just became
Well,
useless.
there he is, just hanging out.
You mean just became useless?
Fuck you.
God
Sean.
damn!
Later.
Is that another Titan?
Crap!
Yes,
Yep.
that is another Titan. Crab.
Damn.
Grab.
Big crab.
I'll catch
Crab.
him because I want it.
Well, there are smaller versions that we can catch.
No, you can. Yeah, no.
You can catch these. You can catch these small ones.
I don't want a small
So-
one. I want a big one.
His shiny's blue.
Yes.
Well, that was just a shiny thing because I was blue.
It's the only crab in the game, and it makes
That
me sad.
should be right.
Wonder how long it would take
If
to
it
cook
doesn't
one of
work-
those big ones.
No?
He got it
Whoops.
first time when he put it in my phone. Just means he loves
He
me.
probably just hit one of the keys wrong. Or something.
No. He loves me.
So yes, let's
No,
take
no.
on one of these Titans.
Oh, it's a fight for Ian's heart. You know Tony's gonna win.
Crab battle!
It broke my knife!
Crab battle!
It broke my knife. Did it break our knives?
I
Oh,
think
is he the rock? Is he the rock badge?
it is the rock Titan. Yeah.
Yep.
The badges in this game are boring.
Yeah, they don't look very neat.
Yeah. Actually, it says Stony Cliff
Tell
Titan.
us how you
Yeah.
really feel. Ian.
But
It's a
there's 18
Types,
basically elements in Pokemon, and there's one badge for each element. There's 8 gyms, 5 Titans, and then 5 Team Stars. Is that what those idiots are called?
Yeah, Team Star.
Team Star.
Yep.
Creating 18 badges.
You know who I want back? Team Rocket.
Everyone wants Team Rocket back. That's why it was such a big deal in like Ultra Sun and Ultra Moon, whatever the heck they called it, that they had Team Rainbow Rocket. It was like the multiverse Giovanni gathering up everybody else. It was kind of really cool.
And it was a bigger deal when Ash ended his journey and Team Rocket decided to disband.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, to be fair, that's kind of the plot in the first game. Once you beat Giovanni and become champion, Team Rocket's like, we're done.
Yeah. But I mean, even in the anime, Jesse, James, and Meowth all went their separate ways.
What the hell?
It does run away.
No, every time they run off the first time.
Mm-hmm.
Because, God forbid we ever fight these things without Stupid Face. Here comes Stupid Face. Well, first he has to break open
So the
his...
funny thing is,
Right.
I don't know if anybody else noticed this, but anybody else noticed the initials for Herba Mystica?
HP?
HM.
HM, okay. Alright, HM, yeah.
Hi,
Oh, well.
I'm awesome. My
Dude,
daddy,
Dude
my
Junior,
daddy
you
for
found
me.
it? Ugh. And that thing's the Stony Cliff Titan? No cloth has any business
Okay.
being that
I'm just
big.
gonna say, because I'm just gonna say this. I put everything else on hold to help this fucker out.
Yeah, I know. It's like, I'm fighting a giant...
Why? You'll find out.
Okay.
I'm fighting... Well, I know this isn't the first Titan we've done in the for the video.
Well,
No,
he was
second.
asking.
The second, this one.
Yeah, this is the second one. Yeah.
You said first, I thought.
He said
No,
it
this is
wasn't the first.
Wasn't the first.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
this
We're
is
gonna
a...
have to fucking listen to them.
Shut up.
Oh wow, we are drastically over-leveled for this guy.
Oh.
Well, this
I
is
want
looking
you to know.
rough. Shelter, serve up a helping of
There's
defeat.
like 8 people on my internet.
Yeah.
I'm not on the internet right now, so it's not me.
I am on the internet, but no, I'm actually not. So.
I'm seeing if I can save it. If I'll.
Yeah, Shelter, you go ahead and you use... you take the hits. I don't want to take the hits. And now his defense is lower, so this is going to hurt him more. Yeah. You like that? I bet you don't.
Let the
If I
dirty play.
Hit me again, Daddy.
Yeah, see, look, he's got angry shell. That means he's liking it.
Yeah, I guess so. Well, his defense fell more. Ow.
That's it. That was a critical hit too.
Yep.
And after an attack boost.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, that's embarrassing.
Wait, we can attack his Pokemon?
No.
No. It's a team dynamic. We can't attack our buddy's Shelter, no.
Yeah, that'd be hilarious.
It would have been
Just
not
turn on.
effective, but
And Final Painted.
So cute. My dealing.
Look at my little buddy coming through like a champ.
Okay, just making sure.
It
Yes.
has to be his little buddy. Better be his fucking.
I never agreed to be his little buddy. Alright. They beat up a
talking
jo-
about a shelter.
Okay.
So I got a good look at our outfits this time, and we look like punk or goth as fuck with those leggings and those clothes.
do.
I like it, honestly.
Oh no, I like it too. I just didn't see it very well last time because I wasn't really paying attention. I was just kind of listening to Josh talk and talking to everyone.
But
If you wanted to
Spiders?
go through
I
his
beat-
character.
I beat
background.
up a giant crab. Now let's make your damn sandwich.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She also has the sun sword.
Could a sun sword me?
I mean, it could be.
I have a sun sword. I have a sun shower.
Jesus.
She probably
Christ.
won't start with the Sun Sword in this world.
Oh, you found some.
I said she probably won't start with the Sun
Herbs.
Sword in this
Oh
world.
yeah,
Well, she's level
yeah.
7.
We've been going
Yeah,
on
herbs.
these. We've
I
been
might
on
as well
these
be
quests to
walking on
get
the
all
sun.
sorts of herbs. Yeah,
Herbs and spices and everything nices.
sweet herba mystica is good for gut health and digestion.
It's great for.
Sunspot, baby.
I bet it will stimulate the appetite. It'll give you the it'll give you the munchies for sure.
Yeah.
Da, 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 da. I like sandwiches. I like sandwiches. I like
So
sandwiches.
these guys just making food for us?
Yes. Every time you get herba mystica, he makes a sandwich out of it. Bob's not my uncle.
Like your flaw.
Yeah, Titan badge, yada yada yada. So boring. It's a rock.
Oh, boring. Oh, I hate hate these badges.
Yeah.
So I hate the electric gym leader. I hated her until she just admitted to everyone, like, yeah, I'm doing this for views.
Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's.
I was like, oh,
she's a streamer. Why else do they do anything?
I know,
For the
but it was funny because
Excuse me, sir. I am offended.
I know. I'm
Good.
also-
Oh, come on, you do it for
Good
views.
Dead-Eye Pony.
No, I do it for
Subscribe to the
the
Switch channel.
I do it for the spooks.
You're welcome. Subscribe to Dead-Eye Pony on Twitch.
yeah, we always
Yep.
every time he's here, we always find some way to.
Dead-Eye
his
Pony on
stupid-
Twitch.
his
On
stupid
Twitch,
fu-
yep.
You don't even watch a stupid fucking channel. Its dominance awful, and I'm just telling you not to watch it.
Yeah, check. Yeah, go ahead and check out to see how bad it is. It's just
Yeah.
I
it'll
got told
ruin
I'm not
your.
allowed the summer barbecues because I said the line of "fuck you like a watermelon."
Why are you fucking watermelons?
Are you not
Why aren't
seeing-
you?
Have you not seen me myself and Irene?
Nah. I haven't because I don't watch crap. Oh wait, I mean I exclusively watch crap.
All I know
On
is.
Twitch.
All I know is I am.
Wait,
I
what?
failed
It's Twitch.
chemistry
Is that what you stream?
because I told my
Yeah.
teacher that the chemical
She
name
also
for
streams.
water was Norman Schwarzbaum. As it turns out, it's Norma Schwarzbaum.
Wait,
I was
I'm
kicked
not
out of the
confused.
class
You
for
want mine or-
misgendering an
Yeah,
element.
so-
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Why would I hand
Compound.
you my Twitch?
I don't
Water
know.
is
I'm
compound.
confused. Leave me alone.
Why would I hand you my Twitch?
Well, I would have known that immediately if I hadn't have failed chemistry.
Should have a pony with an eye
218 followers.
Didn't we already go through this? The sandwich.
patch. Right now, I only stream.
This sandwich
on the
isn't for
weekends.
you. This looks exactly like the
And
last
when you're
time.
up
Hey,
there at
nice to
home.
know
Yeah,
you're
when I'm
paying
at home.
attention. We have to do this 3 more times. But also the reveal of his sick Pokemon, that is why he's really
This
doing
is
it.
why I put everything else on hold.
Yeah, fuck that stupid thing.
Puppy
Yeah,
is
fuck it.
dying.
Yeah, fuck it. Let it die.
Fuck
Is
you.
it dying from an old age or?
He was injured badly in a
severely
thing.
injured in a fight.
Take him to a Pokemon Center.
They tried that. They actually covered that.
Yeah.
Yep.
It didn't really work. Potions and Pokemon Centers didn't work. So he's hoping the Herba
That seems
Mystica.
like a cop out.
He's hoping the Herba
Yeah, it's a
Mystica,
cop-out.
something
Yes.
being something special, would do the trick.
Phoenix Downs don't work outside of, or Phoenix Downs don't work in cutscenes.
I think the injury was just too severe for the Pokemon Center.
Which I think is
Did you
bullshit, because
watch-
anything short of death, the Pokemon Center takes care of.
I
I'm
mean,
finding you on Instagram too, but it's taking 80 years because Ian has shitty internet.
See, there you go.
Doesn't help he's got 8 of us.
There you go. He
No,
asked the
it's
questions.
Ian's
Have you
fault.
tried potions or have you tried a
It
Pokemon
always is
Center?
Ian's fault.
It's like,
I even have Twitter, but I'm thinking
is
about
it
it.
supposed to be?
Twitter was the best.
You
Oh.
can't.
oh my
tag
god, Josh,
Your
he's dying
Instagram
from plot contrivance.
I know.
Private.
There ain't no cure for that.
You can't tag it on Twitch and then private it. That's the most hypocritical shit ever.
Wait, what? Is it private?
It's privated.
What the fuck? I thought I put that on.
Found
You
this
can't do it very well.
My
Pokemon
Instagram
Center.
says-
Herba Mystica.
Yeah, your Instagram's private.
See, and also don't get rid of Twitch. Not Twitch. Twitter. Twitter's the best.
No, fuck Twitter.
Twitter's the best dating site there is.
Excuse the fuck out of me. What?
No, seriously, I know like 10 people that have gotten together and have stayed together because they met on Twitter. I'm not even joking on that.
I
just wanna
don't
turn
meet
it up.
anybody on Twitter.
There we go.
you need to get out more then. You need to be more active.
I guess I need to try more Twitter.
Yes.
Obviously.
I don't care. Instagram.
Yeah.
He hasn't accepted me.
I just changed it, Jason.
It's like the only thing. What do you mean you did it? I beat the Titan. I got the herbs. All you did was put them in a sandwich.
It's still saying I have to request it.
You found the Titan too.
There it is.
You found it, fought it again with him.
Follow
He basically was. And his Pokemon really didn't
Hit
do
my
much
dog
other
with
than
a
be a
pillow?
target and
Yes.
die.
I was aiming for you.
It's like he's a good decoy. That's all he was.
There's people on here that I don't even know why I follow them.
On Twitter.
Yeah,
Oh,
no, Instagram.
See, I know there's. I'm pretty much can name any
I
reason
think there
follow
were people that followed me from my Twitch, and
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. See, the thing is,
On Twitch, I followed the first 10 people back, and I haven't done it for the other 3.
You now have a dash button?
Yes, I now can dash.
Yeah, man.
It's not
Well,
as
in that case, I'd like to order.
ha. Nice.
unfortunately, it'll cost you like 4 times as much.
3, but yes.
Not with or without the tip.
No, with the tip.
Okay.
It's not that bad, but it's still a lot more if you just had a ride. It would have been a lot cheaper.
Yeah.
And I would have only spent $10 instead of 30 today on buying Taco Bell. But I didn't really have much other options other than, cook.
I forgot how many people I have on my phone named Kayla.
You can put me down as Renee also instead of that.
There's you, there's my sister, there's my friend
Oh,
from
for darn's sake, I'm trying to get
Delaware.
around.
I'm like,
Stupid Pokemon.
how many people do I know with the same name?
The third most popular name in 1993.
Yeah, that's weird because my sister was born in 87.
Done. Good, you flinched. That means this is easy
Alright.
experience.
Or from 85 to 94, Kayla and Cole were the number 1.
Alright.
I'm named after a stripper though, so get fucked.
It sounds
I don't
like
know what that is.
I think
funny.
the stripper did though.
Yeah, thank you.
Huh?
I think the stripper did.
Yeah.
It was either that or Honey, and my mom didn't want me called Honey.
And you can save a lot of money by picking up the Honey app. And no,
We're not.
we're not.
Remember screw sponsorships.
Oh, that's right. Unless they actually do give me money, I'm not going to say anything nice about them. Honey sucks. It's a scam. I don't really get anything from Honey.
You don't even know that. You can't bash them before they fucking even.
Oh, I've used
They're
Honey.
not sponsoring the channel.
Funny thing, I actually watched Winnie the Pooh, Blood and Honey the other night.
If they
Okay.
sponsored Blair White,
was
they'll
weird.
sponsor
Well,
Okay.
yeah, I mean, why would
So here's-
not?
It was a
He's
movie
the
with a
Team
$100,000
Star-
budget and it made over $2 million.
Good for them.
Okay.
Good for them.
And they're making a sequel.
Sure.
Okay.
That sounds like they should.
Yep.
Yeah.
Wait, we got the Team Star Firebase.
Are they using Hollywood writers or Chat GPT?
They're actually from the UK.
Are they using Hollywood writers? Or are they using?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Who cares?
Because if they're using Hollywood writers, they're not going to get it done anytime
the movie
soon.
never-
I'm using Bollywood writers.
Sean, the movie never released in the States.
That's it. I just watched it.
I don't think she watched it in theaters, though.
No, she
Yeah,
didn't
it-
watch it in theaters.
Oh, it was never released in
Oh,
theaters.
no.
He has Northern, yeah.
If I don't clear out from the Team Star Firebase real quick, they'll have to come at me in self-defense. Hi. Time for me to self-defense the snot right out of you.
That's like, sounds like someone who likes to fist fight people without getting in trouble as they come across
Oh,
it.
I'm sure he enjoys fisting.
Getting fisted.
Oh, Houndour.
Blue, give him the Gok 9000.
Bulldoze.
I guess that's one way to do it.
Super effective. Critical hit. Lowest speed.
And it didn't one-shot him.
No.
Well, it's also three more level, but the lowered speed allows me to get another shot in. So it basically
Yeah.
did.
Come at me with threatening words with only one fucking Pokemon. Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, get the. You're crazy,
I like
Strong.
Condor, though.
Yeah, I like Honda too, but he's over here like threatening.
Call me
one
Dude
fucking
Junior.
Pokemon.
Yeah.
I hate how good their pose is.
You think their pose is good.
I like the pose. Oh no, it's
It's
Clive.
not the, it's the professor without the fucking balls.
It's not the professor.
Yeah, I know. If it was the
The
professor, he had
headmaster.
it.
That's the headmaster.
That's what I meant, sorry.
But yeah, but no, it can't be because if
Yeah,
it
Mitch is worried
was, the
about the
balls would
balls.
be hanging out.
Well, you see there underneath his jacket. If you look close at his jacket, they're jingling a little bit.
Oh, and I suppose Superman and Clark Kent are the same person. They're just wearing glasses.
Have you ever seen them in the same
What?
room?
Yes, I have. That one time, it actually was faking. Someone was like faking it. They had situations like that before that they maybe would pull that nonsense off. I think it was John Jones who
That makes sense.
Yeah.
who posed as one of
Yeah.
them. Whoop. What's this?
Okay,
It's
I'm not gonna
Marvin the
lie, I
Martian.
love that little dude too.
It's Mega Man! Alright then. Carlos,
That was Charlo's.
Yeah, that's Charles.
Charles.
you know this little fella? This is Carlos, the Char Cadet. Okay.
You guys get the ghost fire. I got the psychic fire. That uses a gun.
Wait, there's actually one that uses a gun?
Yeah, his evolution in Scarlet is actually a cannon.
Whereas this one is a sword.
Yep.
So basically this
Lame.
is... Basically
I'm
we...
about-
Yeah, I wanted the gun one too, because that one is Mega Man. We get friggin' 0.
The problem is they need to inverse the colors.
I know.
That should have been their shiny forms.
Yeah.
Pokemon Club International
By the way,
screwed up on that.
Shiny
end.
hunting that little fucker is a pain in the ass because there's only one thing that stands out. His eyes are blue.
Oh, that's dumb.
That is the only change.
I was going to say he has a dick now, but...
Well, I mean, it could have a dick. I mean, it has male and female.
No, I meant like you could see it. That's what the one difference was.
That's Rule 34.
The Shadar Squad. Their boss, Mela, is the best all-rounder of the team. Colonel, I'm heading for this another starbase.
Not so much.
What is this one going? I mean, the last one I did was Metal Gear Flaccid. What is this? Like, space heater? Since, I don't know, we're going after the Team Fire. I don't know.
Karuba.
Still making steam, space heater. I don't know. Oh, instead of snake eater. Yeah. People are looking at me weird. Okay.
No, like
I just kind of
weird
zoned out.
anyway. What else is new?
I know that song, but the words aren't right.
You're not
what
ready.
the fuck? I know the world that. I don't know that right away.
I think it's pretty obvious.
You're
That's what
obvious.
makes it obvious.
Oh no, am I ready for this? I don't know. I don't know if we're ready for this. Dun 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 dun.
Well, we weren't ready for the dark one, so let's just fucking wing it.
Your top 3 are the ones that get picked. So.
Oh, that's right. What is my top 3?
Well, if it's fire, we probably should put our boy not in the top 3.
Well, fire's neutral. Fire's
Yeah, fire
kind of neutral to
attacks to
nuke
neutral
fire.
damage.
So,
He does have
You
fire.
obviously need to put Splash up.
no water moves currently.
No, but fire moves are.
What are you talking about?
Not
He has
effective
Splash.
He's
Yeah.
strong against the
Splash
fire.
is a normal move.
Alright.
Fire,
Yeah,
fire
but-
moves
but-
are reduced damage.
Yeah,
to-
yeah,
against
it's reduced damage.
So that's on the defensive end, and that's
Yeah.
fine. But
Yes.
You're honestly, your lineup, as long as you don't run into dark types, isn't bad.
Right.
yeah. Okay, well, let's just ding.
Actually,
Let's
what is
get
this game
ready
right
to
now?
rumble.
No, he has Spike. That's all I remember from looking at.
What do you mean spiteful?
Some kid lucked out beating one of our sister squads. Now she thinks she can take us on. Time to give her the boot, gang.
Colonel, on 30 of our Pokemon within 10 minutes, our boss won't lift a finger to.
Damn, 10 minutes is fucking generous. I'm just throwing that out there.
It's
I
so easy to do
I know.
this.
I don't know, give me 10 minutes.
Boom.
Oh Jesus, he just floats off like a fucking monster. Oh hell. Holy shit, Honkins.
I mean, he is a ghost.
I understand that, but that was fucking terrifying.
Hey, thank you. Wow.
My
Hey.
cough is not contagious. I'm allergic to outside.
So you touched grass today.
Yeah.
No, I mowed and then spent 6 hours sitting outside with everybody else mowing. I did my first enclosure ever since.
Allergic to
You
grass.
should.
Dun, dun,
I'm
dun,
allergic to
dun,
95% of all pollens.
dun, dun.
And a list of other things that I have to get a list out to name them all.
I was gonna say, you know what you need to do then? Touch some grass.
I would, but I don't have my EpiPen on me.
I can't get past how this music track that's going on sounds almost like Metroid
I'm
Prime-ish.
glad I'm not because I
Sounds
actually
like
agree with
Metroid
that.
Prime.
I like doing it, and I find it very relaxing, and I like the exercise, but I
She also likes saying fuck you for things.
Well, you listen to our channel, we all love saying fuck.
Yeah.
I think most people do.
Yeah. Oh fuck, who wouldn't?
Apparently studies also show
Me,
that
because
people that
I'm an
swear have
innocent.
higher IQ.
Really? I would have
Yes.
thought that was the opposite.
No.
Yeah,
No.
they use swear words because they can't think of any other words to use.
Huh.
No, that's actually an interesting study.
Well, neat.
Sounds like
I
it.
never curse. I'm innocent.
You sure?
Now, let's say you can go to twitch.com/deadeyepony and see how he's lying. And see how he's lying.
Are they all fucking cars?
Oh, Metal Gear!
That
Oh,
thing again, damn.
it's a different color now.
Ah.
Yeah,
That is the
it's always a
lamest
car.
shit.
Also, I think I like her.
Yeah.
It's a leather.
Yeah, probably.
She's a dummy mom.
That's two dynamos.
Just gotta pick which one you like more.
I like the Baker one.
Yes. Because she can make you sweets.
Yes.
I mean, you never know. This one could probably bake too.
She'll probably break something more than bake it. Like my ribs. Step on me, you elegant
I think that's
volcano.
more dummy and less
Walk
dummy.
up and down my chest in stiletto heels, please.
Wait, what?
Oh, we're talking about her.
Oh.
I think Ian was just shocked that came from Dale.
It was just
Step on me, you elegant volcano.
What badge are we getting?
Fire. She's the fire
Got it.
team
So
star.
the team star,
Ooh,
what?
ooh.
Fire, poison, dark, fighting, ghost.
It's okay. Team Star is fire, dark, poison, fighting, and fairy.
Fairy?
Yep.
Fairy.
Yeah.
Oh,
There's a fairy user.
that's weird. So I thought they'd all be like the dark, edgy ones. I guess one of them's got a.
Let's try Honkin.
She's the
Take a ton is
happy-go-lucky, bubbly one.
One of them's got play against type, right?
Yeah, we might have. It's possible, of course, that we were underleveled for this.
Just a little bit, not that much.
I mean, it's level 27. That's not too bad.
Well, this
Right.
is only her first Pokemon too.
Yeah.
Still,
Oh,
is it
geez.
possible we're under intelligence for this?
It is possible.
I think that sounds very likely.
You know what?
My boy!
You know what
Covered
ability
more.
would come in handy? Flashfire.
Flashfire would have been nice, but
That, you also gotta remember, Turkle's a fucking tank.
it
Yes.
is.
So how many Pokemon does she have?
3.
Uh,
I think 3.
I will let you know in a second here.
I guess it's 7.
You only have 6.
2.
7. 7 it is.
So that's one of the final bosses.
Oh yeah.
You son of a bitch.
What are
You
you
literally
involved in
fight
number
every
4 then?
EV evolution.
Well, that Reveroom.
And I call bullshit when that happens.
He's gonna be happy about that.
No, remember, you can't use Thunder Wave on it.
I can't use any status thing,
Which
including.
is stupid.
Nah,
That
maybe she
pissed
only
me-
had the one.
That pissed me
I thought
off
she had
so
3.
much.
No.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna
I'm
lower
gonna
it
try
even.
to completely destroy that special attack.
Yeah, why not? You know, dirt might be the way our key to victory here. I just have to like use a potion here.
Yeah, just because he's getting faster don't mean he's gonna be able to hit you any harder.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter much. I think we might actually be able to death of 1,000 cuts this thing.
Go get him.
Yeah, it's doing shit for damage now.
Yes, it's doing about 7.
Huh? 7? Told you.
So it was a good number.
Reach. Defense, but you're hitting with special attacks, so it
7's a
doesn't...
good movie.
What's the parts?
It's one of the Palco's head.
We had a 3-year-old say that today. It was the funniest
the
thing
dog.
ever. He
It's
goes,
the
"What's
dog.
in box?"
It's his pet dog.
Ooh.
Okay, so Torque attacks with no physical attack,
Yeah.
but you're gonna run out of PP for that. Eventually.
Use the PP.
PP.
Like urine.
Indeed.
Not very effective.
It's not.
You know what else isn't
It
very
took like 20
Me
health.
neither.
You know what else isn't very effective? My
Mine.
mom.
Yeah. I knew that was coming.
She's like, hello.
You put your nose in my ear, and it felt weird in my mouth. You brought my shoulders in too.
She's like, I don't even know what that is.
I'm a dog. I'm not very smart.
You can do it. I think you're smart.
You're just gonna keep going until you can only use struggle.
Yeah, I mean, it's effective strategy. It can work. It's only a strategy that rich people like me can use.
It's a lower level than
So
I
we're
thought
fighting.
it was.
We're fighting a Starmobile.
Yep.
So essentially, we're fighting a Digimon, is what you're telling me.
Yep.
Kind of.
Yeah, that's why.
That's the weird thing.
That's one way of looking at it.
That's why
Already
it's beating
goes
our
into
ass.
that.
Because Digimon's better than Pokemon.
I just set him up for him to rag on fucking Pokemon and tell him as Digimon's better.
Digimon is better.
Ian, I
I've
need
never
to get
seen
you a
either of
copy of Digimon Survive.
Yes. Yes, you do.
I think it can be bought for the Switch.
Yes.
Possibly.
Yes.
It's an RPG horror
Yes.
story game.
It can be bought for a Switch.
I have a PlayStation 4 too.
He has my old
Yep, I
PlayStation
have
4.
Sean's old PlayStation 4.
Because I got a PlayStation 5, and it can do everything the PlayStation 4, just move all the files over, and I'm like, well, this is going to do
You
nothing.
want to know what pisses me off about the PS5?
What?
If I want to get the PlayStation VR to work, I have to buy another one.
Yeah, you have to buy the VR
Welcome to
too.
PlayStation.
I thought the only thing is the PlayStation 5 can't hook up to PlayStation VR 1. You gotta get PlayStation
Fucking
VR 2.
Bullshit.
Then again, I'm not a VR person, so...
PlayStation.
There's a couple games I like in VR, but there's one I cannot play.
What?
You asked me too fast. Second Runner.
See, about the only game I would play, about the only PlayStation game I would play in VR was Gran Turismo,
Zone of
but
Enders.
Gran Turismo Sport sucked.
because
Oh, we got
you're
burned.
literally in a
that
piloting a mech
sucks.
suit, and everything is just flying around you, and I get motion sickness from that game.
I can't.
We don't have any water attacks for
I
Gyarados?
can't
Not currently, no.
Nope.
That sucks.
Any of them, I get seasick except for Surgeon Simulator, and then I just stab him in the face. Very good at that.
Ghost Flash.
You put me in Skyrim, you put me in Resident Evil 7.
Oh.
So soon.
Okay.
Turns
Okay.
out that was the fire boss lady's strategy the entire time. Over Switch.
It's because we
Yeah.
were fighting a Digimon.
And Digimon's
And
just
a
too
fire
high.
type.
Digimons are just too high. There's no elemental types in Digimon. They're all data virus and vaccine.
That's their element.
That's true.
Although some games do have elements, so
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm saying.
Although I'm not happy with this conclusion, so we're going to sit around for a little bit and then try to finish it up.
Alright.
Alrighty.
Josh,
Enjoy the blank screen.
I'm making a joke. Josh is giving this game a blowjob.
I am kind of.
It's just like the olden days of cartridges where you have to blow them and make them work.
You have to blow most things to make them work, Devin. Man. this PS4.
I use a Q-tip and rubbing alcohol.
Do
That's
you?
how you're supposed to do it.
Hell yeah.
She is speechless right now.
That seems like we're into BDSM territory, and I
We've been there. You
Yeah.
you saw who we were fighting.
the Digimon I forgot.
Well, the lady controlling the Digimon.
BDS
I didn't see that. I was too busy reading Straw Daddy.
It's BDS Mon.
It's BDSM mom.
Yep.
BDSM mommy.
That's what the M is for.
BDS mommy.
They say, why you stop?
Pretty much.
Say how it's
Oh, check this out.
Anyway,
I-
I'm go- well,
was gonna say
when it comes to editing, I'm either going to take this audio bit out, or we got like a background that I have put up, and probably that. Let me just fuck- What?
Nobody
I
says
said we could look at, or probably not going to
It's not. It's not going because of where it is in the
Yeah.
chain.
You say anything he doesn't
Yeah.
like. He goes, how is this possible?
You have an ice
And
pack.
that's what I hear.
It's getting there. It really is.
Probably.
It absolutely is getting there.
I
It's
kind of want
not
to see that just to make fun.
Russell Crowe's
the Pope's Exorcist.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What if it's really good?
I'll still decide if it's good or not. I still just want to make fun of it.
No movie is immune to being made fun of. You can yeah.
Especially not
Which is my
Schindler's
fantasy.
List.
Something.
That is totally riffable.
It is.
I'm looking,
Schindler's List about the Holocaust.
I'm looking,
Well, about an instance that
I am
happened during the
waiting for the
Holocaust.
riffs tracks for Schindler's List. Get on it, guys. Come on. Don't be
God,
cowards.
yeah, don't be, come on. What are you gonna let the Jews tell you what to do?
Appreciate that.
I was gonna say at this point, at this point, I think one or two of us might actually be on the the list of anti-Semitics from
you guys-
JDL. So at this point, screw it.
You almost said something completely different, Sean.
I know.
And I almost went like, yes, I am anti-semen.
And that's what's wrong with you, Josh.
Yep, exactly. I'm very pro-semen.
Same.
So the thing on here is King Kong.
What's that?
King Kong ads.
Semen?
Yeah.
King Kong's got nothing on me.
It's
So,
half of my sexuality.
I am so disappointed in the new MonsterVerse
It's been 6
movie.
years, man. I don't know how this
It's
works
just
anymore.
Godzilla X Kong.
It's 7 for me. So
Oh.
we'll figure it out together.
It
buddy.
turns out
And not in the fun way. They should have been dating.
well, they might be.
What, they expecting that hour?
No, the Starburst got stuck in my throat.
That's what she said. But yeah, apparently
Just pull it
Godzilla,
back 2 inches. Jesus Christ.
Godzilla and Kong have to team up against a new threat. That's the plot.
I already called what the new threat was before I even watched the movie.
What is it?
Your mom.
Mecha.
Oh no, I'm talking about the new one. Everybody knew it was Mechagodzilla because they fucking leaked the toy.
Yeah.
I knew
That
before
happens-
this toy.
That happens way too
I didn't know
often.
there
Did
was
he
a
get
link
the
toy
bigger
either.
ones to get it back?
What?
Did any of the Pinkertons to get a
No, because it was officially released in stores like a month before the
The movie.
More
Movie
than
came
one, a while before the movie.
yeah.
Mine was gonna be Mechagodzilla too. I think everybody just knew it was gonna be Mechagodzilla. I wonder if this one.
You're
is-
putting two good guys against each other.
I wonder if you could do what they did in the actual Godzilla vs. Kong, which was not be a coward and show a winner.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't be a coward.
Well, didn't they have two different?
No,
Movies
that's
for that? Or
that's
was that
urban
just
legend.
Two
That's
different
urban legend.
endings.
Nope, urban legend. There was only ever one ending, which was Kong wins. The two endings thing was an urban
Because
legend.
didn't he shove a tree down Godzilla's throat?
Yes, he did.
But then, well, you do the thing at the end where you show the loser, and either you see their like hand doing something or their eye opens, dun dun dun.
I mean, the end of King Kong versus Godzilla. After King Kong won, we did hear Godzilla's roar.
Yeah.
So we know Godzilla didn't die, but
He got the shit.
Even if he did, there's Godzuki.
Oh, good lord! Don't.
No.
My God.
He hated so much you made him speak.
Oh come on! Am I the only one who wanted Godzuki versus Son of Kong?
no. That's what I was literally just about to suggest.
That would be let's.
Godzuki versus Son of Kong, which actually is what Adam Wingard wanted to do was.
All right.
Who the fuck is fighting the door in there? Jesus.
Sean.
It's a door, Sean. Calm down.
Thor sticks.
I know. It's like fucking with him.
Yeah, I know. I was fucking face-planted into your door.
Yeah, Adam,
used it.
Adam Wingard wanted the next one to be Godzilla. Wanted to be Son of Kong, but
I was a good hit.
And we are back.
By the way, Ian, thank you for having your toilet paper correct. Remember, toilet paper has bangs, not a mullet.
exactly.
I don't give a fuck.
They
As long
do.
as I can wipe my ass.
Just put it on the fucking roll.
Is it secure against the wall? Can I pull it out?
No, okay.
You should always pull it out.
No, don't pull out.
Again, I don't know what this metaphor means, but okay.
When two people love each other
We are
very
talk-
much or hate each other very much.
We are talking about pulling toilet paper out from the roll. I don't know what there is else to talk about.
I'm talking about penis.
Oh.
I'll say it.
I always
have a penis. Girls have a vagina.
So the legend goes.
Dorian thinks he has a penis or a vagina sometimes. Because
okay.
where to go? I don't like
Use
it.
one. Use volt switch.
Never there, buddy.
Men are from Mars, women are from Venus. That's why they're full of poison.
What the fuck?
Well, let's face it. Like biologically, women are like a harmful ecosystem, just like Venus. So that makes sense. And Mars is barren and has nothing, just like men.
Yep.
Yeah, sounds like my soul.
Just like men.
It's dusty and useless, just like men.
Yep. So I switched Splash Out twice to get 2 shots of Intimidate in to lower attack. Its special attack's already low.
Yeah.
It's not a bad move.
Yeah.
It's one way that we can hit it with status and it count.
4.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4. You said the count.
Okay.
1. I can only count to 4. 2. I can only count.
Oh, I see what you're doing now.
That's
The
a,
laundry hit the floor.
No,
Let the
I was-
laundry hit the
I was
floor.
doing Psycho Stick. I can only count the
I've
4.
seen that one too.
I can only count the 4.
Yeah.
I like the sock puppet one too.
Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Anyway.
Hang in there, Bambi.
Yeah, Bambi's.
Dead.
Bambi's done.
Dead.
Yeah, this is.
No, because of the stat drops.
Yeah.
Leech seed.
Leech Seed won't work. Remember, we've learned that.
Oh, yeah, that's right, that's right. Boo.
Double kick.
Yeah, but it's gonna beat on speed.
Eh, what else?
But that's another use of Blazing Torch.
Yes.
Sacrifice.
It was a sacrifice.
So that I can just do this.
Send Splash Out.
Yeah, for a 3rd Intimidate.
Yup.
Intimidate only drops it by 1 point, but
Yes.
But 1 point is
Can be
1
enough.
point. But now it's down 3 points because of 3 intimidates.
And Giga Impact.
And the attack, man, that blazing torque don't do shit.
Not anymore.
Giga Impact does a little bit of damage.
Yeah.
It's just fucked up in Legend Arceus. That does not have a fucking cooldown point anymore.
Yeah.
Giga Impact, I'm like, sweet, I got a freak. Giga Impact, what the fuck?
Legend, the Arceus is a shit game for babies.
Yeah. Well.
I enjoyed it.
I did. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's just, I didn't enjoy it that much.
I got caught insane because I'm trying to 100% perfect the Pokedex.
Cool.
Probably not worth it, but you know.
Nah, it just gives you a boost to trying to find a shiny.
Yeah. Oh, it has Swift now. Okay. So it might be done with Blazing Torque.
Yay! Go get him, Rockruff.
We'll see.
Find them clues.
It's so cute when it does that. I love when it does that.
No, it still has Blazing Torque. But we weakened it enough that it's okay. Bulldoze. Super effective.
Ooh, wow.
1 HP in a dream.
Yeah.
Yeah, that isn't gonna work out. But what we could do.
Yep. Heal it.
Oh.
Heal
I
it
can
so
do this all day, fucker.
Heal it so it survives the next attack. So it can survive 2 attacks
How
and
many of these do you have? 999.
Yeah, I'm rich. It's a superpower.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it from a comic when I was reading Gold versus Red.
Ah,
It was a joke comic, kind of like Let's Play Fire Red.
I see.
Ah, Screech.
yeah.
And
Okay, all right.
all right.
Yeah.
We took the
Where did
bitch
Team Star get their
down.
badges?
They cover that? I don't know if they covered that yet.
What's that?
Where Team Star?
get their badges? Why do
They
these-
made them themselves, actually.
But then why does the Pokemon League recognize them?
The Pokemon League doesn't.
Yeah.
Then why the fuck does it matter that we're catching these
It's
these
the,
badges?
is-
it's to show certification that you beat the...
Also, this is for the school. It has
Yes.
nothing to do with.
Okay,
Pokemon.
why does the school give a fuck if we get their badges?
Because it shows you're beating up the bullies.
But I mean, you can just
Okay.
do that by showing them the black eyes they have.
By
Okay.
dragging them in unconscious.
Okay. Team Star has this like weird rule thing. You beat them and you're the new leader of that camp. As the new leader, you can disband that camp. Basically.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I wouldn't do that. I'm like, my army is growing.
So there's the other 3. The poison ninja-y looking person.
Yeah.
The clear rich boy fairy dude.
And the fighter.
And the huge hulking Amazon fighting lady, Luchador. I like her. We already beat Inspector Gadget over there.
Yep.
Sorry, when I look at her, I start thinking Cobra Kai.
Strike first, strike fast, no mercy.
Yep.
Which the Netflix series is actually pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm almost done with it.
I've never seen it.
I don't even have Netflix.
Yeah, I didn't even. Honestly,
I love how
Season 5.
it's like she sacrifices for fashion. Those boots don't bend at all, so when she steps, she has to like
Goose step.
she has to goose step towards you. Yes.
Did you fucking punch us?
No, it's a handshake, rough handshake.
But yeah, you're going
She's
out. because
squeezing the hand.
I see. I thought she just fucking punched you.
I thought it too when I first saw it. Like, what the fuck?
that would have been so much better.
Good punch. It's like, get the fuck out of here, bitch.
But she just said that whatever Pokemon hit the final blow.
Yep. It was whatever your lead Pokemon was. Yeah.
Hey, look, it's Clive Owen.
It's Clive.
I've got such wonderful sights to show you.
Ian, what are you doing in the game?
What am I doing?
Yeah,
Nothing.
I could see you as Clive.
Oh. Nah, my hair looks way better than that.
Yeah.
Hooks and chains.
Hooks and chains.
Also, underground mutants.
Colonel, I found my new
And a
wife.
dude on a train who
I
murders
think Ian
people with
was
a
like the
hammer.
normal gym leader.
Colonel, I found my new wife. No, I'm kidding.
I'm
blah,
gonna
blah.
write this in my horror book, and it instead be about a BDSM demon instead of a big car.
No.
Too bad.
Then Stephen King shows up. He's like, "No, it was Christine." And
Get out of here, you hack.
oh, fine. I'll just go on Twitter and complain about Elon Musk and Trump. Stephen King's such a hack
I would
writer.
never be a skinny man.
Let me guess. The main character's a writer. It takes place in a
I would
small
never be
town
a
in
skinny
Maine,
man.
and there's bullies that are just unreasonably evil, right? Is that a part of your story there?
Probably. That's kind of his formula.
See where's that at?
I don't know. One of my friends said it to me.
Oh god.
What?
And somewhere there's inexplicable psychic powers.
Yeah. He likes inexplicable psychic powers.
It's why I'll never be a skinny man.
That's Denny's.
What is it?
I'm hungry now.
What is it?
Oven baked caramel apple pie crisp.
From
Yeah, that
Denny's.
sounds pretty tasty.
Oh god. Denny's,
I was-
it used to be really good at Denny's, and then it kind of.
And Dennis is coming back on the upswing a bit in quality.
Then-
I was gonna say, you want to
I
pick
hope
up
so. 'Cause
Denny's
the last
afterwards?
time I went,
Yeah.
I went to fucking airport exit, and the food was fucking awful.
That Denny's is kind of a hole.
Yeah.
For being
Yeah.
honest.
Yeah.
The one in Adamsville, or not Adamsville, but airport.
Yes.
Yeah.
I haven't been to the one in Cambridge.
The one in
yet.
Cambridge is not bad. That one in
I know. There's
I used to work at both of them.
Applebee's. There's not Applebee's. There's a Denny's at the airport.
Yeah. There's a
This is a diner.
yeah,
It's
it's style.
Oh.
It's out in Sonora, and man, like
1950s
you
ones.
can almost see those stains on the walls in that one. It is a pit.
It was good when I worked there.
But that was what, 15 years ago?
That was also a whole
Fuck,
different.
I wish, dude.
that was a whole different
45
building,
years
too,
ago.
wasn't it?
Still.
Kind of was up on top. That was up, kind of up on the hill.
What?
wasn't
No.
it? The Denny's when you worked there.
No.
No, it was always that spot.
Is that
Up on the
The
hill
one
was a
up on the
pizza
hill
place.
was
That was-
Noble Roman's Tasty Freeze.
That was
Yeah.
it.
And
And
then
then-
it got transformed into a bank because
Yep.
the man that owned it sold it.
Yep. Sold to Community Bank. No, the best things I've been to is actually this one that's connected to a pilot out in a Washington courthouse. You probably haven't been there because
156 or 158?
I think so.
Yeah, I've been to that one.
All right.
There's 4 Denny's I've been to.
Yeah.
There's also one out towards Sunbury.
Yeah. Because I went out there.
So we
one-
good for the night?
Yeah, as soon as we save here.
Yeah, I went out there because Jimmy had his students testing. I was there, and Evans was there, and afterwards we all went out there to eat. Well, the 3 of us did. His students all went home because they're all kids.
Yeah. I used to work the one in the airport exit towards Zanesville, and then I used to also work as a cook at the one in Cambridge.
All right. Well, we will
We'll cook up more the next episode.
in the next episode cook
We'll
up
talk
more.
more about national chains and what ones suck and don't.
And Digimon.
The Digimon.
And all of these advertisers.
What?
Look at all those
Play the
advertisers.
Digimon song with Pokemon scenes inside the music video.
Yep.
Only 90s kids will remember this. Only 90s kids will remember everything. 90s kids remember the heat death of the universe. 90s kids remember the Big Bang. 90s kids never forget. 90s
Pluto
kids
is
can.
a
90s
planet.
kids will see you next time.
Next time, 90s kids.